friends, welcome back to this page. Let's get started with our today's video. So first in this video we are going to make this. Take a straw and cut it. After cutting it, you can simply paste the two corners of the straw as shown in the video. Now simply place these wheels and a star to it. Take your hand and draw the outline of your finger. After doing that, cut the sheet of your hand drawing and then paste tape on it. After removing the tape, you can simply place these straws while inserting threads in between and you can roll them like this. See how wonderfully this working hand works. Cut the bottle and insert a thread in it. After inserting that, you can simply cut another sheet into these very thin strips. Now, as you have cutted these thin strips, you can simply roll them over the bottle. Take another pink sheet and start cutting the desired design. After cutting the design, you can decorate it as per shown in this video. Roll it over the bottle as shown and then simply make the design as per your requirement. Now, roll these green things over the bottle too. And yes, a lotus flower, well, a lighting lotus flower is being made. Now you have to draw this over the sheet. After drawing this, you can simply cut it in the direction that you drawn, that has been cutted. And now after that cutting, make some cut in this specific manner too. See, this fish looks very great. Now we are going to make a strawberry. Yes, a paper strawberry. Follow the direction as shown of the paper folding, and after this step you will simply fold it, and then the edges of this paper are to be maintained and are to be opened with the help of your fingers, and the gap can be fulfilled by rolling them inside. Now simply place this green sheet and cut it first, and then you have to place it. Now as you can see that how it has been cutted, this pattern has been taken and it has been inserted in this straw. So this strawberry will look great while this sheet has been applied on it. Take a clay and press it. With the help of these clays are being pressed, and now these strips are placed over it. Simply draw the outlook of this drawing and draw some birds too. As you can see, it is done. You have to take leaves and then cut the pedicles of the leaves in this manner. After cutting them, you can simply place them over the sheet or a black sheet. Cut another leaf in this specific manner and place them over it. So these dolls are done. Now you have to take another sheet and cut it in a triangular form. After cutting it in a triangular form, simply see what pattern will you get. Yes, you have obtained a very beautiful pattern like this. Roll the petals of these flowers and now take a straw and start rolling it. Simply plug all the designs over it and see how beautiful these flowers are. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.